Balls to Aravinda De Silva. Swings him, and the crowd invasion tells the story. It's all over, and probably the most decisive. Batting. Pramod Vikram Singh to Robin Smith. Short and well played through backward point, 4 runs. Ramanayaka to Lewis. Overpitched and driven through the covers. That's another fine stroke. So Lewis once more stroking Vikram Singh through the onside the grounds. Ramanayaka hit away by Robin Smith. Into the crowds, the first 6 of the day and the innings. Vikram Singh's next delivery hit away Abhishli. Good catch there by Champaka Ramanayaka, coming in from fine leg. Take the new batsman. Overpitched and just eased onto that stroke through the covers. Difference between the two sides. And a strike rate of 5 being maintained by England. Almost a non-challenged Graham Hick. Here's Sanat Jayasuriya. Excellent effort. Probably dragged his foot. And the 53 runs coming off 11.1 overs of 49 minutes. Robin Smith was at the wickets for 75 minutes and faced up to 50 deliveries. Kalpage. And Hick is in trouble as he played across. And it's 3 for 85. Neil Fairbrother in. Once more well fielded. So 2 good strokes by Fairbrother. May have got a touch to it. Yes, he's gone. That's the second victim for Aravinda De Silva. It was almost a carnival atmosphere. Mike Gatting plays right across, and there's no mistake about that one. A poor stroke by Mike Gatting. It's 5 for 114. Aravinda overstepping with that little bit extra effort, and Hashan Tilakaratne coming into the attack. Stewart is in trouble. He's gone. Good strike there by Hashan Tilakaratne. The 150 of the innings coming with a lot of effort. Clean bowled him, played right across. That's a bad stroke. 39 balls. Jayasuriya bowling extremely well. Played across. Aravinda De Silva takes the catch. Paul Taylor, last man in. Bowled him, and that's excellent figures for Sanat Jayasuriya. Lankan bowlers on target. 5 batsmen failing to get into double figures, but England lost 5 wickets for 48 runs after losing their first wicket. 5-wicket haul against the New Zealanders at the same venue. The required run rate was 3.6. Confidence. Chris Lewis dropping it short, and Harthur Singh replies with his pet stroke. Overpitching and stroke through cover. Nice to see the Sri Lankan opener. Top edging it, but that's a straight stroke. Well struck. No stopping that one. Jarvis turned away neatly behind square on the onside. It was a warm day as Salisbury also in his first ball on this tour. And he provided the breakthrough after 65 runs in the 15th over. Manama edging it, and he's gone. Double strike. Got the wickets for 74 minutes. Hit 5 boundaries. The field with it. The Fritas came in. and his pride dented. Aravinda replies of the next delivery, first 6 of the Sri Lankan innings. And you cannot possibly toss at Aravinda De Silva. So 2 sixes of consecutive balls. Salisbury dropping it short, quicker delivery. Fine stroke, the fielders didn't move, they didn't absolutely filled up, so the spectators would find their positions. Once more, Chris Lewis misfielding. With the spin, the ball moved minutes of 20.1 overs. So held the strike rate of 5 and over. Aravinda De Silva in full cry. Boundaries not very far away, but well struck. Some pretty loose bowling being treated to some excellent stroke play as Aravinda De Silva took control, dropping it short, and his placement excellent, and a very good effort by the defeaters at the mid-wicket boundary. That's his half century. Is particularly happy for Aravinda. Fine stroke through mid-wicket over the head of defeaters. That's his third 6. Spinners, and giving a lesson of how to play spin bowling. Hit to Aravinda, smashing that one through long on. 4 more. The 100 partnership coming in 71 minutes of 19 overs. Dermot Reeve. Few bowlers would dare, but Dermot Reeve was too far away. Oh, well played. Behind square. Aravinda De Silva in full cry, treating Dermot Reeve with scant respect on that occasion. He's seeing that ball so well. Strike rate quite a formidable one as Hick bowls to Aravinda De Silva. Swings him, and the crowd invasion tells the story. It's all over, and probably the most decisive one-day victory for Sri Lanka, and England suffering the most humiliating defeat on this twin tours. Absolutely cricket crazy Moratua crowd with over 14 overs left. Aravinda De Silva in total control, smashing that one as he did in the test at the SSC. Fine win there, superb team effort, and Aravinda De Silva won the Best Batsman award by adjudicator Ranjit Fernando. Sanat Jayasuriya was picked as the best bowler and man of the match.